Just another day, feet on the ground. Head in the clouds, but stuck here for now. But it's
Hello insiders, welcome back to the channel. This is Geek Insider. In this video, we'll be exploring Filmora's new reality bending AI templates effect. And using the same effect, all the creators out there are getting more views and getting viral because this feature helps you to make AI videos within a fraction of seconds. So in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to use them step by step and create AI videos so you can recreate these incredible results in your own videos and make awesome videos. So why to wait? Now directly jump onto a Filmora workspace and let's get started with this video. Go to stock media. From here click on AI media and select video inspiration, and now search for the giant hand hoodie lift effect. And from here you can choose any of the effect, click on it to download, and now import the picture that you want to see hanged in the lift. So in my case, I want to see Cristiano Ronaldo to be hanged. Also you can choose to change the resolution of the output video, so you can choose from vertical 9:16 to horizontal 16:9 ratio also. So after selecting the picture, click on generate, and from here you can see the status of the video generation. And after the video is being generated, you can access the generated video from My Files. And now again click on the video inspiration tab and search for car transformation robot effect. And from these effects, first of all let's download this effect. And now upload your desired car photograph. And click on generate. And once the video is generated, access it from My Files menu. Now again click on video inspiration and search for aerial effect. And from here select aerial equilibrium. And now select your desired image of the person. Select the aspect ratio and click submit. And after this click on generate. And once the video is generated, go to My Files to access it.
just another day, feet on the ground. Head in the clouds, but stuck here for now.
Now search for Leviation Proof. Download this effect and now select whichever person or whichever object you want to float. So in my case, I want to float myself. Like I want to be a superhero right now. So I will select my photo, adjust the resolution according to the video that I desire, and click on submit. And now in the meantime my video is processing. You can let me know in the comment section if you are facing any issues. I know you will not be facing any issue, but still if you have any suggestions or any queries, then do let me know in the comment section. I will reply you immediately back in the comment section, and if possible you can also tell me or suggest some videos that I should make. So this is for today. Thanks for watching this video. This is Geek Insider signing off.